Hi everyone and welcome to this session where we'll try to understand what is a true negative. So, what does a true negative mean? So, true negative means the correct negative result was provided to the client. Uh, what it means is you have a machine learning model, and that machine learning model predicts that something negative is going to happen, and something negative really happens. So, the prediction is correct. Okay. So let's consider this table, and it has got one row, which is what the machine learning model is predicting, and the other row represents what actually happened. So let's look at the observation number 4, where the machine learning model has predicted that the output will be 0, which is negative, and corresponding to that, in reality, what happened was also 0. This means that whatever negative the machine learning model had predicted came into reality. So observation 4 qualifies to be called as a true negative. Let's look at another observation number 6. Again, whatever the machine learning model predicted was 0, and in reality, what happened corresponding to it was again 0, which is negative. So, observation number 6 qualifies to be called as a true negative. Let's look at another observation. Okay, observation number 11. Again here, the machine learning model predicted the output to be 0, which is negative, and what happened in actuality was again 0, which is negative. So observation number 11 qualifies to be called as a true negative. So I hope the meaning of true negative is correct. Now, the point is that the client is getting the correct information. So our machine learning model is performing very properly. Okay, so now let me give you some examples of what is a true negative. So let's say you have a machine learning model, and the machine learning model predicted that a person would be COVID negative, and in reality it happened that he was COVID negative. So that's an example of a true negative. Let's say that the machine learning model predicted that a person would be unhealthy, and in reality he was having cancer, or he was found to be unhealthy. That's an example of true negative. Let's say that the machine learning model predicted that the student would fail in the exam, and in reality he did fail in the exam. That's an example of a true negative. Or let's say that the machine learning model, based on certain conditions, predicted that the leader would lose the elections, and in reality also it did happen that the leader did lose the elections. So these are the examples of true negative. So what does true negative equal to 100 mean? True negative equal to 100 means that, let's say, if the student machine learning model predicts that the student would fail in the exam, and in reality he did fail. So we have got 100 such observations, such negative observations, where the machine learning model predicted that something negative would happen, and in reality the negative thing did happen. So that's what it means. So true negative means whatever negative the model had predicted became real in actuality or reality. I hope this helps you understand what is the meaning of true negative. In the next lecture, we'll try to see how true negative values are filled in the confusion matrix. Okay, thank you very much.